Okay, well, we're back. We have lunch almost ready. So the question is, how do we know when the dough is ready?
Next.
Look, it spins and it pulls away from the dough. So at this point, I'd recommend if you're going to eat it today, let it double in size, and then you can start benching it and rolling it out. If you want to eat it tomorrow, put it in the refrigerator overnight, but it freezes great too. So we got Gabby's Pizza. Check out how beautiful this stuffed pizza looks. And this is super easy. You can be sloppy when you make it. That's got a good look to it, doesn't it? Yeah, we're fighting over that, aren't we? You know, the calzones look beautiful. Look what the egg and the Parmesan did with that. So just to finish this dish, again, guys, this is easy stuff. You can easily do all of this at home. A little bit of salad. How about some vinaigrette? Tad bit of Parmesan here, maybe here as well. Some crushed pepper, whoop, a little bit. And then a little bit of oregano for aroma. Enjoy.